Hey y'all, it's Blake Adams, and thank you for joining me for today's workout. Today we're going to take it to the park and play out Chocolate Rain. Barrel roll push-up today. Tumbles and some backward tumbles. We're going to try falling into the forward handstand. Handstand and the forward roll, we're going to try and hold it just a little bit longer and add a little bit of walking in. Practice some forward fall into handstands with forward roll out of. Now we're going to practice a backward roll into a handstand. This is one of my weaker points as my back isn't as well developed as it could be. But you know how I feel about this. A little bit of persistence, a little bit of application, and we'll be there. The reason I'm doing this so many times is I want to show you how much persistence and dedication it actually takes to achieve your goals. You seem to have the forward handstand, forward roll down pretty well. Let's try the back roll to handstand. Not quite. Not quite. No workout is complete without a couple sets of push-ups. Today we're going to finish our workout with a little dynamic stretching. This is very similar to the tire run, but we don't have tires, so we're going to use the line. 1 foot here, 1 foot here, 1 foot here, 1 foot here. See the crossover? Now try it backwards. Try it with a high step. I like to cool down every workout with a little jump rope. Woo! Hey y'all, I'm Blake Adams, bringing fitness to the community. And thank you for joining me for today's workout. Today we did handstands and worked on abs, push-ups and pull-ups, and some more abs too. Chocolate Rain. Hey y'all, I'm Blake Adams, and thank you for joining me for today's workout. Remember, feel free to ask any questions you have about diet, nutrition, or health in general. I will reply. And remember, together we get this whole nation fit.